pinatutunayan lang talaga ni Chris Lawrence kung gaano niya talaga kamahal itong si Katrina Halili. Grabe yung panunuyo niya at saka yung talagang hangarin niya na makuha ulit ang isang babae na talaga namang minahal niya at naging ina ng kanyang anak. Alam naman natin na sila ay nagkahiwalay ng 12 years. Pero dahil na kay Destiny, eto na ngayon at gumagawa na naman ng paraan si Destiny para maging forever na talaga itong dalawa. Nakakakilig. Grabe.
Such a great writer, grabe. Days, she was a cute pregnant woman. Cute, nakikita na ko sa kanya. Never ba nawala love mo kay Miss B? Unlove you nga ni. Hindi ka naman halatang in love, ano? Huh? Pambansang manliligaw? Ayaw daw po ni Miss B ang live-in. Yeah, you have to respect it. You have to respect what she wants. I have to respect what she wants. Nakakalibang ang mga kwento mo. Thank you so much. Mr. B, sa totoo lang, you're a good storyteller. Oh, I am? Thank you. Kinikilig ang mga quarantine sa inyo. Pasok, Miss B. I had to real life, hindi na siya makakapasok dito. Because I think she's busy. Si Lyric kasama sa birthday concert mo. We're gonna invite him, but you know, it's gonna be a little late, so I'm not sure. Pwede. I would love for him to be there, syempre. Anak ko yun. Pati po trentahin, what's that? Kinasal kami sa panaginip nyo? Wow! Step, di ba nga ni, one step at a time. All this marriage talk, guys, you might scare her away. Just let it unfold. Let it unfold. We don't know where it's gonna go. We're actually just going with the flow. Kung ano yung alam nyo, yun din yung alam namin. Oh my god, it's so fast. I'm trying to read everything. What made you pursue Miss B this time? I don't know. Destiny? What's the most expensive gift you gifted to Miss B? I'm not sure. Siguro yung ano. For now, the Van Cleef, I think. Or is it the room? I think it was her room. That was pretty expensive. Yeah, guys, wag muna. Let's not talk about marriage. You guys are too far. Let's focus on the present moment now. Right? Paano kung mabasted ka po? Eh di mabasted. 'Di ba? Eh di mabasted. Mr. B some has the mild autism. They go to regular school. Ganyan din po si condition ng pangan ko. Katie plays piano so good. Yep. Katie needs to practice more. But I know if she focuses on it, she's gonna be good because ang galing ng memory niya eh. If she could just focus, she'll be good. Gusto ko talaga matanggal yung cellphone niya. Kailangan matanggal yung cellphone niya sa kanya. Na-try niyo na ba mag-usap ni Miss B ng magdamag yung di kayo matutulog hanggang umaga? Yeah, we used to do that all the time. Very simple girl. Ako, I love to dress up. I've always been like this. Kahit elementary school ako, I love to dress up. But you know what? That's okay. Opposites attract. And ganun talaga. Opposites attract. And actually, magastos din si Miss B. Magastos lang siya sa ibang bagay. Magastos siya sa pa-beauty. Have you seen her house? You know, her house, daig pa niya yung mga ibang clinic kasi ganun kadaming machines ang meron siya sa bahay. Grabe. Kung alam nyo lang, ang dami niyang machine. Man, you know what? You know what's funny? A lot of your suggestions, tapos na. Hindi ko lang nagagawa. Diba nga ni? More action. Less talk. What if someone will also ask Miss B kung pwede manligaw, what should you do? What can I do? If they're gonna ask her, they'll ask her. Then, what's gonna happen next? Sasagot siya. Diba? Anong magagawa ko? Wala akong magagawa. May the best man win? No. Kasi if papayag siya may ibang mangligaw, bibigay ko na sa kanya. Hindi ako makikipag-compete. Ano yan? Competition? Naliligaw na ako tapos tatanggap siya ng isa pa? Eh di doon ka na lang, di ba? Hindi tama yan. And I don't think she'll do that. I don't think she would do that. Magsiselos ba ako? Siguro, pero hindi ako makikipag-compete. Nope. Kung pumayag siya manligaw ako, tapos tatanggap siya ng isa pa, edi give way. Kung tatanggap siya ng iba, ibig sabihin hindi siya happy sa akin. 'Di ba? I don't think gagawin ni Miss B yan.